Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some easy and delicious costillitas con nopales. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by peeling our nopales. Now you want to be very careful so that you don't get any thorns stuck in your hand. So we're just going to grab our knife and pull back against the thorns. And you just want to do it to both sides. We're just going to cut the ends and cut the sides. Okay, so once we have cleaned our nopales, we're going to take them to the sink to give them a quick rinse. Okay, now here we're just going to cut them into strips. They're going to be a little different size, but that's okay. Okay, once we have our nopales, we can set them to the side. Okay, now here I have my pork rib tips, and we're just going to single cut them. Okay, once we have cut our ribs, now we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, now we're going to transfer our ribs into our pan. And here we're going to season with salt, garlic salt, and black pepper. Along with that, add half a cup of water and 2 bay leaves. Now we're just going to set it over medium-high heat. Mix it all together. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right guys, and while we wait for our ribs to cook, we're going to work on our salsa. So we're just going to begin by roasting 2 Roma tomatoes, 6 tomatillos, and half an onion. And you just want to get them nice and short all around. Okay, so once they're done, transfer them to your blender cup. And here we're going to roast 2 garlic cloves. And they're going to cook pretty fast. So as soon as they're done, you can transfer them to the blender cup as well. Okay, so here we're going to turn off our heat. And with that heat, we're just going to cook our chile de arbos. And you want to be very careful not to burn them because otherwise that will make your sauce very bitter. So once you begin to smell them, they're done. Transfer them. Now we can get ready to make our salsa. Okay, to our blender cup, we're also going to be adding a very small handful of cilantro along with half a teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to be blending with 1.5 cups of water. Now blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we're just going to set it to the side. Okay, after 25 minutes, we're going to check on our ribs. At this point, the water should have evaporated and the ribs have rendered their own fat. So here we're just going to be frying for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure that you're mixing constantly. Okay, after 10 minutes, your ribs should be nice and golden. Here you're going to remove some of the grease. Okay, once you do that, add a little piece of onion along with your nopalitos. And here just mix them. Here I like to season my nopalitos with a little bit of salt. And now we're just going to cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our nopalitos should have changed color. So they are done. So here we're going to get ready to add our sauce. Okay, so now just mix it and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste your sauce for salt and adjust it if needed. But now we're just going to reduce the heat to low and allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 10 minutes, our delicious costillitas con nopales are done. So now we can get ready to serve. And of course, I like to serve it with a side of rice and beans. Make sure you get all the salsita. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. Right now it's nopales season, and this right here, it's honestly super easy to make. It's so delicious, and of course, it's so flavorful. Now let me tell you, I am so ready. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The sauce, it's so good, and it's a little spicy, but of course, you know, that will depend on how many chile de árbol you use. And of course, you can always substitute with the chile jalapeno instead. But let me tell you, this right here just never disappoints. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have made some delicious costillitas con nopales. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.